Hello, today we are going to present about what is data mining. These are our teammates. I am Dinesh Analaki Karnanidhi, Elia Sufia, Nur Kristina, and Darwinesh Analaki Murgeshwaran.
What is data mining? Data mining is the process of analyzing large amounts of data. It is used to find patterns, trends, and relationships that are hidden inside databases. In simple words, data mining helps turn raw data into useful information. This information can then be used for better decision making, especially in organizations. Data mining is widely used in many industries such as business, healthcare, and education. So now, we will move on to why data mining is important in databases.
Databases are mainly used to store large amounts of data, but storing data alone is not enough. Data mining helps us analyze this data and extract useful information from it. Through data mining, we can identify hidden patterns, trends, and relationships within large data sets. This helps organizations make better and faster decisions based on their real data rather than assumptions. Data mining is also important because it can efficiently handle large volumes of data that cannot be analyzed manually. It supports prediction and forecasting by using historical data to predict future outcomes. In addition, data mining helps detect errors, anomalies, and fraudulent activities, which improves data accuracy and security. Overall, data mining adds value to datasets by transforming stored data into meaningful knowledge.
Okay, today I'm going to explain how data mining works. So, data mining works through a structured process known as knowledge discovery in databases. This process helps to extract useful knowledge from large amounts of data in a systematic way. So, the first step is data collection. In this step, data is collected from different sources such as databases, files, or information systems. For example, customer records, sales transaction, or student data are gathered for analysis. And the second step is data cleaning. In this step, the collected data may contain errors, missing values, or duplicate records. So, data cleaning is done to remove incorrect and unnecessary data to improve accuracy. And the third step is data integration. In this data integration, after cleaning, data from multiple sources is combined into a single data set. This helps to provide a more complete and consistent view of the data. And the fourth step is data selection. In this step, not all data is useful for analysis. In this step, only relevant data related to the problem is selected for further processing. And the fifth step is data transformation. In this transformation, the selected data is transformed into a suitable format. This may include normalizing values, converting text into numbers, or organizing data into tables. And the sixth step is data mining. This step is the most important step, can say as a core step for data mining. Data mining techniques such as classification, clustering, or association are applied to discover patterns, trends, or relationships in the data. And the last step is pattern evaluation. In this last step, the extracted patterns are evaluated to determine which ones are meaningful and useful. Irrelevant or unimportant patterns are removed. So for this information, we can present in understandable form such as graphs, charts, or reports. This helps user make better decision based on their results.
This slide shows two real-life examples of data mining. The first example is online shopping platforms such as Shopee or Lazada. Customer purchase and search data are stored in a database, and data mining is used to analyze buying patterns. Based on these patterns, related products are automatically recommended, which help increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. The second example is student academic performance. Student marks and attendance data are stored in a database, and data mining is used to identifying students who are at risk of failing. This helps lecturers provide early academic support and improve overall student performance. Accurate data collection is important to ensure reliable and effective results.
Now, this slide shows some common problems in database development. First is large data volume. Databases store a huge amount of data, which makes analysis slow and more complex. Next is data inconsistency. Data from different sources may be duplicated, incomplete, or outdated, which affects data accuracy. Another major problem is data privacy and security. Sensitive data must be protected from unauthorized access and misuse. Besides that, there is high processing time. Analyzing large datasets requires high computing power and takes a lot of time. And lastly, there is a lack of skilled professionals. Database and data mining systems require expertise to design and manage effectively. All these problems make database development challenging and highlight the importance of data mining.
In summary, data mining is an important concept in database systems. It helps extract useful patterns from large datasets and is widely used in real-life applications. By using data mining, organizations can support better decision-making processes and improve overall business performance.